Welcome back everyone, my name is Kent. In a previous video we looked at the DeWalt DW872 metal cutting saw. Joe Ludico, a viewer, commented that the cuts would improve if lubricant was used. Joe, thank you for your suggestion. I want to try your advice, and sorry if I mispronounced your name. We'll test the effect of using air to clear chips and of using lubricant while cutting half-inch pieces of 1x4 inch 6061 aluminum stock. While doing our best to maintain consistent handle pressure, we'll record cut time. After all the cuts are made, we'll rank the cut quality. To clear chips, we'll use an air gun blown at the side of the blade near the cut entry or into the rear of the blade shroud. Doing this, we're testing if chips are being carried back to the workpiece and if clearing the chips improves the surface finish. The first lubricant is bandsaw lubricant or blade wax, which is like a big crayon. The second lubricant is DD40 from a spray can. The lubricants are applied to both sides of the blade for their respective tests. The wax remains on the blade longer than the DD40, so additional cuts were made to clear the blade after the wax test and before the DD40 test. Here are all 8 tests being performed aligned to the start of each cut. As each cut is completed, the corresponding video fades. I struggled to find the proper camera method to capture the appearance of each cut. I tried different lights, lenses, angles, and polarizers. Nothing worked well. Also, part of the assessment is the feel of the surface. The best I may be able to do is subjectively compare and rank the surfaces, but the distinctions are pretty clear. Chip clearing seemed to have no effect. This may be expected given the airflow that already occurs while the blade is turning. Lubricant definitely had an effect on the cut time and surface finish. After using the saw for a while, a feel was developed for when the handle is being pressed too hard through the vibration of the saw. I did my best to keep the test consistent. If cutting too fast, surface finish degrades, but despite the faster cut times, with lubricant, the surface finish also improved. While not mentioned in the original video, the best surface finishes I had obtained from the saw were when the blade was new. I now wonder if the better surface finish then was because of residual oil on the saw blade from manufacturing. Between blade wax and DD40, DD40 is the quickest to apply for a single cut. Blade wax may be preferred if making several cuts because the wax clings to the blade and the effects last through several cuts. Both blade wax and DD40 do have one problem in my basement shop. Something about both tends to set off the smoke detector when used with the saw. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, and if you'd like to continue to learn machining together, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be back for the next video.